Hello dear students, today we are going to start with the 6th chapter, noun, number. Number means singular plurals. Okay. Here chapter number 6, noun, number. What do you mean by that? A noun that refers to only one person or a thing is a singular noun. A noun that refers to more than one person or a thing is called as a plural noun. Words usually change their spellings when they change from singular to plural. If you say box, it will become boxes, es added. But deer will not change. It will not become deers, D-E-E-R. It will be deer only. If we take child, it will become children, plural. If we take singular as medicine, medicines, S only added. Color, colors. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. P-U-P-P-I-E-S, puppies. So, noun refers that to only one person, that is singular noun. And noun that refers to more than one person is called as a plural noun. Just see here, we are going to study the table, the rules of the singular as well as the plural nouns. Add s to the singular noun in general. In general. Axe, because e is given to you. So you write just axe, s over there. Lamp, lamps. Add es to singular nouns which end in s, sh, ch or x. So you have to remember the rules. Now you have to add es to the singular nouns which end with s, sh, ch or x. Just see a bus. The last figure, that is the last word is s over there. So buses, es you have added. B-U-S-H, S-H is there. So then you have to add over there es, bushes. Branch, C-H is there. So again es. Box, X is there, es. So bus, buses, bush, bushes, branch, branches, box, boxes. Add es to some singular nouns which end in o. Potato, potatoes. Just see over the es. You have to add es to singular nouns which end with o. Volcano, volcanoes. A new nouns which end in o only take an s. A few nouns which end in o, that only takes s. Photo, photos. You don't write es over there. Piano, pianos. Only s you have to add. For nouns which end in y with a consonant before it. You know what are consonants? See now, A, E, I, O, U are your vowels. And the remaining words are your consonants. Sometimes H is also as your vowel when you pronounce R, H-O-U-R. So H is silent, R, O-U-R it comes. So this way sometimes H is also your vowel. So for nouns which end with Y, with a consonant before it, change that Y to I and add ES. Cherry, that Y you'll change, right? Then you'll put I over there, then ES. Baby, again Y is there. And there's a consonant before it, that is B. So you write for Y, I and then ES. When Y follows a vowel, just add an S. See here, M-O-N-K-E-Y. So E is a vowel. Then Y is there. So you'll just add S over there. Day, days. Again A is a vowel. So you'll just add S over there. For nouns that end in F or FE, change the F or FE to V and add ES. Nouns that are ending in F or FE, change the F or FE to V and then add ES. Life, lives. Just see over there. L-I-F-E. F-E is there. So you have changed that E to V-E-S. L-I-F-E. L-I, then F-E will be V-E-S. H-O-O-F. So only F you will change. H-O-O-V-E-S. Or H-O-O-F-S. Twice it is given. Twice plural it can become H-O-O-V-E-S or H-O-O-F-S. Wolf. So F is there. So W-O-L-V-E-S, the plural form. Some nouns form their plural by changing the vowels that precede the last consonant sound. Some nouns, they are forming the plural by changing the vowels that precede the last consonants. Just see that. F-O-O-T, double O. Can you see the vowels? So that changes to F-E-E-T, feet. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. So plural will be T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Some nouns form their plural by adding en. So ox, oxen. Certain nouns remain the same in both the singular as well as in plural forms. Like mathematics. We don't say mathematic. It's singular only and it is pronounced that way. News, news channel. Measles, measles like it is tonsils. So these are the singular but they remain the same in both the singular as well as the plural forms. So there are no changes in that. Some nouns are used only in the plural form. Trousers, that means your pants. Spectacles, chasma. Scissors, we don't say scissor, scissors. Trousers, spectacles. Again, these are only in plural form. Some nouns have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural. Like I said before, deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. They don't change. They have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural form. Some words change completely in their plural form. Mouse becomes mice, child becomes children, person becomes people. So you have to go through these rules as well as read and write in your notebook, as well as I'll give you some worksheet. You have to solve it in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.